All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the hit list is a tree that fell down through the neighbor's fence. I got a video this week. We've had a lot of storm damage, and the neighbor next door, he had a tree fall on his garage and his car, and we took it off of his garage, and the car, I'll show you a little bit of damage. It hit his fence, and you can see right there. So now we're back. The next door neighbor has a problem. He's got a tree that fell through his fence. Here's what he's got right here. We got to clean this up. He had a tree that fell through the fence, and now we're here to take it all off, get rid of it, all that mess. He wants a little bit of them trees right there that's hanging over trimmed with the I'll take the post saw, trim them. And I got a buddy of mine, he likes firewood. He's on his way to come and get the this is white oak, so he wants a load of it. He's a good buddy. I've been dealing with Charles for like 12 years. I mean, he's like 70, I think he told me next month he'll be 78 years old. So I'll get him to pull through the fence right here, pull up and back up, and we'll throw a load of this white oak on his truck. I don't know it.
Got their flare beads.
Yeah, I've been dealing with Charles for like 12 years. He's been coming to my job site, picking up wood and hauling it for over 12 years. We've sat many a days on that tailgate right there, buddy, and talked about life. We're gonna call it a day on this. All right, let's see what we can get you, buddy.
All right,
Yeah, buddy. Thank you, buddy.
yeah, appreciate it.
Yep. I tell you what, he ain't got much more. I hate it. He's getting older. 78 years old and splitting firewood. These young people can't get out of bed. Crazy, crazy world we live in. Alright guys, second job of the day. We're going to jack this up and get this off. Carlos, maybe if we take some brush off of it.
Oh, now it's coming.
Oh, now it's gonna slide.
It's gonna slide.
Yeah, if we take some weight of it off, it's gonna help. There it is. Yep. All right, we jacked it up enough to get the truck out, but it's still, we had issues. It wasn't exactly perfect, but it's better than nothing. Now we're gonna finish getting rid of this and then put a tarp on the garage. And this, yes, this is a repeat customer. We took out like 20, 30 pines here maybe 5 years ago.